nothing.
Just a little bit of cleanup.
You ready?
Where's it?
It's in the bag. I gotta go show you what it looks. Yeah, it's unlocked. I gotta make sure you know how to pull it up though. Come on, we gotta make sure she can pull it up, y'all. Gave you love. I gave you all the love I got. You said what? Yeah, I'm in the back. All the way in the back. Yeah, you gotta walk way. Nah, yeah, you see the black? Yeah, that way. Yeah, it's over there.
I still want my glasses like you.
Oh, you be having glasses?
Hell no, nigga, I told you.
She be having glasses on, y'all. Every now and then when she wanna look sophisticated. It's still back there. Which way you gonna go? She trying to check out everything, make sure. It's all the way back. You gotta keep going. She's still looking over here, y'all. Trying to tell her where to go. She won't listen. We finna make a full pass right now. We making a full pass. The blue one right here. I need. Yeah, dang, this red truck need to pull up, man. I wish he was. Oh, okay, we might skip him. Yeah, we might skip him and get. Yeah, I gotta make sure you know how to pull it up though. Make sure you know. Oh, I got shit all in it. Hold on. These are shirts, y'all. I'm getting these new shirts ready.
Why your car say little baby? You need a charge.
Here, you hold it.
We were looking for the car, we found it.
Yeah, we done found the car, y'all.
That's a police car.
Yeah. Okay, it's ready for you to pull up now. Let's make sure you can pull it up. It's just regular, but since I ain't got no converter in it, we gotta make sure you know how to hold them brakes good. Yeah.
I got it.
Yeah, you got.
Why is it jumping?
Yeah, it's ready to go. It's already ready to go. That's how they tuned it.
He's looking like,
yeah.
Why did it stop?
That's it.
That's it, what?
You gotta just be ready. This thing here. See what it need is an old converter in it. I ain't want to put one in there. I just left everything like that stuff. Well, they trying to tax for no reason. You know they trying to blame stuff on COVID still. They got the prices all the way up. I don't want to be bothered, so I just said, nah. It's running.
The car shut off on me.
It's running. That's how they tuned it. They done tuned it like that.
So how you be driving in the street?
Oh, it don't do that all the time. It don't do that. It don't do that all the time. It just do that when you first, cause it's just so ready to go. It's just you gotta let it like warm up.
Skip the line. I just want to go straight to the track.
It just want to go straight to the track. You gotta hold it and be like, no, like a little horse.
I gotta tame him.
Yeah, gotta tame him. I'm trying to tell you.
It's a boy, right?
Yeah,
right,
yeah.
Man. I gotta tame him.
That's a boy. You got. Yeah, you gotta tame him. Yeah, y'all. She gonna be pulling the caprice up. Yeah, you gonna run me in the charge. She gonna be recording, man. The 60. So you gonna start at the 60 foot.
You gonna give it a 60 foot?
Yeah.
I still got it.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna give you the 60. All right. What you got in here, man?
392.
That's 392. You got that intake? Oh, it stopped. He ain't got that intake, y'all.
This what you racing?
Yeah, he said I gotta give him the 60. We're gonna let him jump out there real good, and then we're gonna try to go get him. Or you wanna race somebody head up? What you wanna do? I don't know, I need to make sure. I wanna win while you in the car. That way you can put it on your video. She gonna put it on her channel, y'all. So I gotta at least have it a W.
No, this gonna be a good car to race though, look at it.
Yeah, that mud do look good. I think I'm gonna run him.
Cop car versus this.
Yeah, cop car. Yeah, there we go right here.
Yeah.
Cop car.
He on the run.
Yeah, he on the run. I'm gonna gotta run him down.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna run him down. We're gonna have him on cops. Yeah. Bad boys. What they gonna do? What they gonna do? Cop car come for you. Now look out coming for you. Yeah, I'm finna get him.
He said, I'm finna get him.
Yeah, we gonna get him. We gonna get him.
Catch him right.
You gonna be ready?
Yeah, I need to watch out for him.
No, I mean you got time to. You know how everybody do they bullshit a little bit and play around.
Once I hear the engines running, I'm gonna scoot it up.
Yeah, she in charge of scooting it up, y'all. She gonna be scooting that thing up.
Yeah. Not you though. You can put some respect on it. I'm not gonna run away.
I got E on here, y'all. What do you got?
Peanut butter.
Yeah, you ready?
Shit, I've been ready, but this fucking line's taking forever.
You on my YouTube channel? Lookout Racing.
What is it?
Lookout Racing.
Not yet, but I'll
Yeah, check me out, man. It's going down. Might have your truck on there.
bet.
Already, look out. All right, y'all. We got Simba. Y'all check her out on Instagram. Big Simba. Got Big Simba. Yeah, it's going down up here at the gut.
Because I see you looking.
Oh, we see you looking.
Look, that's crazy right there.
Yeah.
Alright guys, track is hot.
Oh, the track hot, y'all. Track hot. Yeah, it's ready. I mean, this line finna start moving up. Okay. Let's go. I'm finna go get the races, y'all. I'm finna go get the races. Here we go. I load my gang. He came back out, y'all.
Alright guys, back
What's
to
that
the
up there, Megan? Excuse me.
The power lane. I believe both these cars are running this weekend.
Yeah, TikTok. I turned TikTok off. It's tripping.